In this video I'm going to show you guys how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. So yeah, if you want to enable that, then make sure you watch the video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, open your Google, of course. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Open settings. Scroll down till you see site settings. And at the top you see cookies and site data. Just click on it and make sure the one at the top is enabled. And you can also enable the second one. So it says clear cookies and site data when you quit Chrome. So every time you quit Chrome, every cookie gets deleted, but of course you probably want it to be enabled all the time, so just leave it on the one at the top. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.